I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. There's no way he can refuse this offer.
That's a terrible impersonation. Terrible. I feel a bit like an Italian mobster, like Scarface, with my spread across the table here. This is a lot of stuff, and I am very much spoiled for choice. And there's no way I can use all this. I've had these pieces sitting out for about half a day. I've probably spent 2 hours with them total. And at first I was thinking about all kinds of things like an anti-aircraft gun or some sort of advanced tank or maybe a hovering vehicle. But the thing that kept coming back to me was this face. I saw this face in the parts. And it was a very wide face, kind of like a Muppet face, a whimsical face. And I'm going to do a personality build. So instead of trying to look at the forms and shapes in this build and try to build an elegant lamp or something like that, I'm going to try to cram as much personality, just stuff, a huge amount of personality into this character, and we're going to build a metal Muppet. So, to the shop. This is kind of like a badass hand grenade. It's like, actually, it's going to be the body. This is going to be the torso, and I'm going to spend a little bit of time on the patina. I really like to preserve the natural patina when I work on a finish, so I'll probably polish this up to call this out, and I'll hit the high spots on this. So we've got the back, the belly, the shoulders, and the neck. Good start on the torso. I don't know what I'm gonna do on the hips. That's coming next. Hello? Oh, sorry, I gotta take this. Well, I thought I told you not to call me when I'm working. I'm very, very busy right now. Lounge Singer Larry is all but done, but he needs one thing. And they say the eyes are the window to the soul. And I'm going to take some lenses that I pulled out of an old scope and glue them over his eyes to give him more personality. So that's the last step.